Welcome! In front of me I have POLAR Vantage M3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and after you see it, press the back button to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu by swiping on up or down, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, select the general settings and tap on this option. And here scroll down and look for the option called language. Once you find it, tap on the option, and here you should see the list of languages on the screen, and you can scroll through it, look for the language you would like to use on your watch, and then select it by tapping on it. And after you select the language, you should see the pop-up, and to confirm you need to press the side button, rather the middle button right here, and the language will be applied after a couple of seconds. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can also use the phone application to change the language. So we're gonna move this to the side, bring the phone, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Polar Flow application. So let's tap on the icon. In the app, we can tap on menu icon, scroll down, tap on devices, and here you should see your POLAR Vantage M3. Now scroll down, look for the device language option, tap on it. It will open the list of languages. Here, find the language you would like to use. Alright, I forgot to mention, before we continue, as you can see, the language is still English, even though on the watch it's still Espanol or Spanish. So what we need to do is to sync the watch with our phone. And to do it, you can press and hold the back button. Once you're on the home screen, you can press and hold it to start the synchronization. And after the watch is done synchronizing with your phone, the language will change. As you can see, it changed back to Espanol. And now we can tap on language, select something. So for example, I'm gonna go back to English, tap on done, and then sync the watch with the phone again. So press and hold the lower button, or back button rather, and wait until it's done synchronizing. And once it's done, the language should be changed. And now when we open the menu, as you can see, it's back to English. Okay, and that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.